Good afternoon. Happy New Year, Honorable Chief Minister, Sri N. Viren Singh Ji, Honorable Minister, Sri L. Sushindro Elias Yaima, popularly known as Yaima, Honorable MLA and former Minister L. Diko, Honorable MLA Sri J. Kumosa, former Minister Sri Francis Ngajokpa, former Deputy Speaker Manipur Sri K. Raina, all the dignitaries on the dais, officials of the government, my dear students, media persons, ladies and gentlemen, as we know, there is a proverb: change is the constant journey of growth. That is what exactly in this 42nd MS General Conference, the theme towards a transformed society. So I think the students now open their eyes to transform the society towards a progressive state, progressive nation, progressive Manipur, and progressive people of Maram. Our Chief Minister has got a very long vision. First, he thought of connecting the people through digital, and through physical also. That is why he launched Go to Hill, Go to Village. This is a glaring example of the great and vision of our Honorable Chief Minister. He says, we can only be united through development at par. So all the developmental works has been taken at par with that of the remotest area and that of the town or the state capital. So today you will see a lot of gift which Honorable Chief Minister is going to present in front of you. But few people, I should say, who fails to understand or who fails to realize the true heart of our Honorable Chief Minister. With no fault of our Honorable Chief Minister, his name, his political career is being trying to tarnish. Why? Did he blunder any mistake or any things which hurts to a particular community, which hurts to an individual? Is it crime to declare war on drugs? Why he declared war on drugs? To save our young generation. He doesn't want the younger generation to ruin their life as drug addicts. Is it crime to destroy the poppy plantations in some particular area? Is it crime to identify the foreigners who illegally enters our state and are trying to snatch away the shares of the individual communities? Is it crime? I don't think it's not crime, because he thinks about the future of the indigenous people living together harmoniously for years together. So this we need to understand. We the indigenous people need to understand it, and we need to unite to overcome and to resolve all these issues, to bring peace, progress, and to live harmoniously as before. I would like to mention a few schemes he has launched to connect the people. Go to hills, go to village. He's the first leader of the state to launch these schemes. Why? Because he wants to connect the people. When we come to know each other, then we can develop a strong relationship, and understanding will come to both the communities, to every communities. That is the motive of the Honorable Chief Minister. Go to village was launched by him. School 𝗕𝗜𝗦𝗜𝗓𝗔𝗦 was launched by him to give a quality education through the government's school and colleges. He has taken a lot of initiative to bring development, to build our state as